If you don't want people seeing which country your Instagram account is based in, Instagram now lets you hide it directly from your profile. Here's how to do it. I'm using an Android phone. On some devices or accounts, the menus may look a little different. Open the Instagram app. Go to your profile in the bottom right corner. Tap the 3 lines in the top right corner. Scroll all the way down to More Info and Support. Tap About, then tap About your account. Tap Account Based In. You'll now see Show Country Region with your country listed. Turn the toggle off. When prompted, tap Hide to confirm. What this does: your country will no longer be visible on your profile. People will see that you chose not to show your country. This does not affect posting, reach, or account features. Important note: this setting may not appear on all accounts yet. If you don't see it, make sure your Instagram app is fully updated. That's how you hide your country on Instagram. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick Instagram and Android tips.